Hi, today I'm running your Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus and I'll show you how to customize Quick Launch on this device. So now by double press to the power key button, we can see that the camera application successfully activated. If you wanna, for example, use the torch, the flashlight with the double press to the power key, not only the camera, you should open first the settings and then scroll down to additional settings. Then click to the gesture and shortcuts. Here tap to launch camera, turn off the switcher and go back. Click to turn on torch, tap on the switcher, and now by double press to the power key, we can see that the flashlight successfully activated. So that's it, that's how to customize Quick Launch on our Redmi device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.